Jake Boyd here with Guarantee Supercenters in Junction City, and I want to talk to you about this Heartland North Trail 22 FBS and some of the features that set it apart from its competitors. First, we're going to start with the power tongue jack. Pretty easy push button up and down. It's got a little light on it so you can actually make your way into the hitch pretty easily in the dark. And if we come around to the side, gonna notice a few things in this pass-through. An enormous amount of storage in there. There's some push-button LEDs so things don't get lost. Plus, right here, you have your push buttons for your electrical stabilizer jacks, front and rear. And beyond that, you have a pretty burly catch door here. And you have slam latches on that with magnetic catches, so you don't have to fumble with anything. Super simple, up and down. And one of the things that makes this pretty neat, you have a really wide base on this double axle here, quite a bit more stability when you're going down the road. If God forbid you have anything happen down the road, you still have 3 points of stability and they're fairly wide apart. One of the cool things that North Trail does as well is they actually have this solid step, super easy up and down. Goes straight to the ground, has zero bounce, and it extends out too. So regardless of where you're parking, you're still gonna get this solid step regardless of where you are. You have a very great open space in this couples trailer that can actually accommodate a few more here. And what we're looking at here is quite a long countertop, solid surface countertop. You have a drop down, pull out faucet head, and your double basin stainless steel sink. A couple other things that North Trail does that's pretty particular to North Trail is that a lot of their units are actually outfitted with central vac. Central vac makes it clean up really easy, and also something you might notice here is that there are no vents in the floor. Everything is heat and AC is ducted through the walls. You have a big 6-seater U-shaped dinette. And plus, you have a really nice relaxer here that jackknifes down into a bed. It's pretty simple one hand pull there too. North Trail does a lot of really kind of nice residential modern touches with their cabinetry, and they also have a lot of really cool things here right next to the bed. A lot of plug-ins, a lot of nice cubbies, and countertop space there for anything you want to have at hand to be charging or running your CPAP machines, your cell phones, and whatnot. Plus, a lot of really great push-button LEDs. Push-button LEDs throughout the length of the trailer. So once we go past all that counter space, you're still hitting your really neat kind of design features that are residential friendly. You have your cover of the stovetop actually becomes its own backsplash. Tons of really deep cupboard space here for quite a bit of travel. And plus a lot of really neat catches and hardware on your drawers. We're coming back into the bathroom, which is in the rear. You have your solid-sided shower booth, which makes it pretty easy. You can actually brace yourself while you're taking a shower, and so you don't have to do so much shower yoga. Plus, in here, you have a ton of wardrobe space. All of these shelves are kind of movable too, so if you want to use one for your hang downs and one for your fold ups, it makes it really easy and adjustable. If you have any more questions about this North Trail, give me a call, 773-655-7190, or just stop by the lot here in Junction City. Thanks.